Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So this is the latest update of Polygon going on with there, and what experts says about Polygon to in upcoming time. Can there is a chance to we will get and earn money from my friend crypto market and especially from Polygon. So definitely the answer is going to be very good now. I hope you would like now, but you will need to watch this video completely to understand better to what the CEO says, my friend, about this coin now. Polygon, one of the fastest cryptocurrency this time in the crypto market, my brother. Definitely, the COO personally told this, my brothers. To upcoming time, we will going to collaborate with a lot of companies now. But I'm 100% sure to in upcoming time, my friends Polygon will again starting moving upward now because the CEO of Polygon absolutely doing very hard work and the team is also doing very hard work. So therefore, I'm really like it and I'm 100% sure to they will get a profit now. Alright, so this chart is clearly told you, my brothers, to Polygon price will fail us down for a short time, but I'm 100% sure to after this fails, they will get a profit now. Thanks for watching. Holder, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And yes, also press the bell icon for videos notification.